What's up, it's your boy Diverse Official back again with another video, and in this video we're going to talk about whether or not Temu is real or if it's fake. Let's go. So basically a lot of people thought it was fake. I did too. I was real skeptical of it. I've made videos, I've made posts and everything like that. I've sent messages to a lot of people that thought it was fake. Yeah, but I gave it a shot, tried it, and basically I've won a lot. You guys can see I'll post all of the reels, the stories, everything that I've posted on Instagram, on my Facebook story, on the left and right here, won multiple times. It is a little bit difficult to try to win because you have to send that invite to a lot of people. A lot of people are going to be skeptical of it. They're going to feel like, oh, it's a virus or I got hacked or anything like that. Like I said in my videos on Instagram and on Facebook, it's difficult to try to get a lot of people on it. But once you win that first time, that's the key to it, is winning the first time. Once you win that first game, you won't have to get any new users anymore. It'd just be like 15 existing users. So how it works is basically, depending on the game that you're playing, if you're playing the trick hat draw to win 3 free gifts, you have within 24 hours to get your required amount of people. So say if it says you have to get 5 existing users and 1 new user. Once you get those 5 existing users and that 1 new user within the 24-hour period, you start the game again. So that's why a lot of times when people are sending you those invites, it's looking like they're sending you the same link, and a lot of people get tired of it, like, you already sent me this link. No, every 24 hours you start a new game. So once you win that first initial game, the next requirements won't be 5 existing users and 1 new user. It may just be 15 existing users, which is easier because most people by now are already having Temu. They already have it installed on their device. So it's easier for you to win. That's how I was winning back to back. It was hard for me initially because I had to get 3 new users and then like 7 existing users. And once I won that first time, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna wait longer than 24 hours to start another game. I'm just gonna go ahead and run this back to back. So whenever I won, I started the game again. Once I started the game again, it said all you need is 12 existing users. I was like, cool, invite 12 existing users and go ahead and, get this, because people already have Temu. So invited the 12 existing users. I won another $100 credit. Ran it again. Then it said I needed 15 existing users. Ran it again, won again. Next time it was 20 existing users. And it just kept going up by like increments of 1 and 2. So the one time that I did mess up and I didn't invite anybody, and I was like, I'm gonna wait like 48 hours and see if it still allows me to use existing users. That was a mistake and dumb on my part, basically dumb on my part, because then I had to get 5 new users and like it only allowed me to get 2 existing users. So I had to get 5 new, 2 existing. But I wound up doing that, and then it started back up and said I needed to get 25 existing users. So word of advice, if you guys are playing Temu, once you win, don't try to wait till after your 24 hours, your time limit expires to try to win again. Just run it, grind if you got to. And yeah, that's what I'm here today, because it was either I was gonna try to win it, and my goal was to win the Switch. Everybody knows this. If you know me, you know my goal was to try to win the Switch. If I didn't win it, I was like, let me just go ahead and rack up this money credit, keep winning this credit by inviting people, and then get enough Temu credit to outright buy the Switch. And yeah, that's what's being delivered today. So I'm waiting within another hour. Then I'll go ahead and unbox it, compare it to my other Switch, because I already have like 2 Switches. I have the original Switch, I have the OLED version Switch, and the one that I had purchased off of with my Temu credit that I won was the Splatoon 3 or the Splatoon version Switch, the OLED Switch. So we're gonna do a comparison of that one compared to my OLED and see if this is really legit. I'm not gonna cut out nothing, I'm not gonna pause, I'm not gonna edit anything when it comes to my unboxing. I'm gonna unbox it, do a comparison, turn it on, and if it's fake, then delete Temu and don't ever play it. But if it's real, grind and hustle it and take advantage of it while it's giving a lot of this free stuff, because a lot of you guys don't want to do it because you feel like it's a virus. But man, this could be like Christmas presents that you're stacking up on birthday gifts and stuff like that, and you're not having to do really anything. It's the same as clicking a like button on YouTube. It doesn't cost you nothing, just a little bit of your time. And depending on what you want, if you want big expensive gifts, it's a little harder to grind, but it's not impossible. If I can do it and get a $400 Switch, which is $349, but after taxes it was like $400, you guys can too. It's not impossible. It's real easy. It's not rocket science. It's just getting people to accept your invite. Once they accept, you move on, and yeah, that's basically it. So we'll get into this unboxing whenever it comes. I'm waiting for this package. Anytime you win something on Temu, yeah, do not expect to just let it be dropped off at your house and allow it to just, I'll pick it up later. No, you stay on that stuff like white on rice. Yeah, if it's gonna be delivered at a certain day, make sure that you're home just in case, because I don't trust anybody just to bring certain packages. Sometimes they may bring it, sometimes they may act like they didn't, especially if people are knowing and then mailmen are knowledgeable. And it's nothing against mailmen, but if they're knowledgeable that, okay, something heavy in this, oh, it's from Temu, I know what Temu is, I rock with it. I'll post on here that it's delivered and I'm gonna take the mug home and open it or whatever. They can just reorder it again. And yeah, so if you do get something from Temu, make sure that you're there that day. If you see your postman, if you live in apartments or whatever, go there. If you see your postman there, go over there so you don't have to walk. Because sometimes they don't want to walk over to your apartment and drop off your package. Sometimes they'll leave it right there at the mailbox at the top and say delivered, left, near your mailbox. And any random person could probably just take it. But it hasn't happened to me because I've always been there like white on rice watching my packages. But yeah, enough rambling on. Let's get into this unboxing, which it should be here now.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Heck yeah. Are you too, man? And guys, it is real. Okay, finally got it in the room. It's not unboxed yet, but the protective case that's on here is the box that you guys are seeing right in front of you. This is the one, it's dockable. You can go ahead and mount it on the dock as well, not worry about taking this off and jeopardizing your Switch getting broken or damaged or anything like that. But like I said, not gonna edit anything out of this, just so you guys can see that you guys will get this type of experience. If you do go ahead and pursue the Switch, like I said, it is kind of difficult, but it's not impossible. So this is the truth, or if it's fake. And oh yeah, that looks legit. It looks real legit. I'm so excited. I'm ripping. I can't even grab my scissors or nothing. So no edit. Let's see. Oh yes, the Splatoon version. And oh, they even gave the power brick outside of it, the US power brick. Okay, so that's the Splatoon version, what it looks like. They do a good job, I guess, wrapping it up. Not too bad, but so if you get the US version, it's gonna come with this power pack for the US. I'm guessing inside of it is probably Japanese, so you guys can see that little dink right there, but it's fine. So cut that off right there. Get this trash out of here, make sure my address isn't on there. Okay. Yeah, it's been so long since I've opened a Switch box about like this. And this is the OLED version. So, the Splatoon OLED version. Okay, Joy-Cons. Yeah, this is legit. This ain't fake at all. I don't know what they talking about that is fake. Yeah, battery, everything. This is legit. I am excited. Yeah, it's legit. I ain't even turned it on yet. But it is legit. It is the OLED version. Alright. Get your packages and everything like that. Don't understand nothing, but I will translate it later. No, I won't. I'm just ready to open this up. So, got your OLED. I'm gonna put the actual screen protector on it. Take this off the plastic, and yeah, you get all of that Splatoonage on it. So that's what that looks like. Go ahead and take the Joy-Cons out, and yeah, they're really nice. I just wish that it was purple all on the whole controller instead of being white on the back, but I mean, it is what it is. Splatoon version. I thought about getting the Zelda one, but I don't really play Zelda like that, and I don't even play Splatoon, but this one just looked player. Okay, so like I said, the power pack that comes in here, that's not US. So it's good that they gave the conversion, because a lot of people said that they got the US conversion, but they didn't get this little power pack that came with it. But oh, they really did it different. Okay, so yeah, I'm not using this big brick soap thing on the wall. So it basically plugs in. Let me go ahead and just open this. Like I said, no edit, so it's probably gonna be a little lengthy video, but that's fine. I'm just mainly making this because a lot of people said it was fake and they thought I was hacked and it was a virus. But now you're seeing you're getting a $400 console for free off of Temu if you just grind with it. So comes with this power pack. The conversion, I guess, goes inside of here and plug it straight to the wall. I'm not doing that because I already have 2 different switches. I'll just use my regular charger for my phone. Works just exactly the same. But it's cool if you get this conversion and you don't have that. USB-C, of course, it's blurry. There you go, USB-C. So that's what that comes with. Comes with an HDMI cable. HDMI cable, you know, plug into the dock. Oh, these are player. Oh, okay, yeah. I was gonna say, does it have the other one? So it is color coded with the Splatoon version. So you get all that, and then also you do get, yeah, legit Switch. Like, that's crazy. Y'all better hop on this grind. I don't know what y'all are doing. Talk about, oh, it's fake and I don't got time for it. Oh, you got time for something to give this to your kid for a Christmas gift or a birthday gift. This is my birthday Christmas gift that I didn't need, but I wanted. So that's what it looks like. All the Splatoonage on it as well in the front and back. Pop this off. You got your ports, your HDMI port. Got your AC adapter, which is the USB-C. I don't know if you guys can see it. USB-C, and then you got your LAN cable as well. That just attaches back in the back. Now, this is the case I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below where I purchased this from Amazon, like I do with everything else. Recommend you guys to get it. It feels good in the hand. It's like, just when you hold this, when you hold the Switch by itself, it feels like it's gonna fall on your hand. If you're laying down, I feel like it's gonna fall on your face, but this one actually has the grip to where your hands just cuffing. And I have huge hands, so when I'm playing it, this is fire. So yeah, I'll go ahead and set everything up on the other one, but like I said, no edit. So we're gonna put this all together, turn it on, see what it looks like, and make sure that even though we got the US conversion kit on there, make sure that it is legit, can rock it in English. I don't even know if it's powered or it has power charge. Oh, heck yeah. So that's what it looks like so far. If it starts up, everything legit just like this one. You see the size comparison. They're both the OLED versions. This is the first time, like I said, turning this on. You guys can see the animation and all that. Yes, English, the Americas. I'll take that. So I'll go ahead and enter all my network information and all that in there, and I'll get back with you guys. All right, we're back. I entered the information, changed the background settings or the theme from white to black, just so you guys can see it a little bit better. So this is the Splatoon version without the case on it. Holding it, you guys can see just it'll slide. This one feels so much better in the hands, just having those grips on the back. And like I said, everything is still dockable on the dock. I can use this one with this just to show you guys when it's on there and it's locked up. Once it's charged, you can see everything fits perfect. It's not like you have to struggle to push this inside of there at all. But this is what it looks like when you buy it from Amazon. You take it out. Comes with the paperwork side of it, like Floss says. Pluck it, file it to the side. But this is what it looks like. So it's real flimsy right here, but it's nothing wrong with that at all. Real tough right here. So the way that you put that on is you just straight take your Switch and it literally just slides in there. And it's not firm on the out. It's firm enough, but it's loose enough to where you can just get it in there. And like I said, it's been a long time since I've even put this in. But then it just goes over the top. It fits just like that, just like the other one. So just so you guys can see what it looks like, identical. This is the legit Switch. They didn't send me a box of bricks or cardboard or anything like that. Back out of it, but yeah, everything exactly the same, no latency, nothing like that. So I'll go ahead and install a few games on here and try it out and let you guys see what it looks like while it's on. Okay, I got all my information, everything input in there. I didn't install a game yet just because I was doing updates and stuff like that, and it's going to take a while. And just for video purposes, I'm just going to get this video over with. So just to show you guys the case that I had purchased, it fits the whole dock, secondary controller or extra controller like the Pro controller, also as well the actual controller, and it's snug too, the controller that comes with the Switch, so you don't have to worry about it falling out whenever you put it inside there. It takes a little force for each thing that you put inside there. You kind of have to force it in there, which is a good thing. Now the only thing that I didn't like about it is that I can't put the Switch in there with this case on because it just doesn't fit. It's such a thin slot, so it's just made specifically for the Switch. So if I take the Switch out, I know I'm probably out of frame on the camera taking it out, but putting it inside there, it fits snug for the Switch too, if it will get clear. But yeah, it also has space for all your games right at the top. I stuffed the cords in here, so everything that's how it's looking is not how I'm gonna have it. It looks a little junky, but I'm not gonna use this power pack at all inside of there, so I might move those cords there just to have more space. But it fits quite a few games all the way across here. And there's just the slits pull back, stuff your games in there, as well as the Joy-Con connectors that go around your wrist, stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically it. It fits everything inside of it. Oh yeah, and it also comes with a shoulder strap that straps onto the case itself. So once everything is closed up, you can hold it by the handle, or you can strap the shoulder straps to here, strap it up. It's a hard, water resistant, not waterproof, but water resistant case. So you don't have to worry about if you drop it or water, it rains, stuff like that. It's not going to get damaged up. But yeah, that's basically it. Temu, yeah, it is legit. Got my Splatoon version. It took about 2 weeks to finally get here. But yeah, everything about it is legit. But yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Your boy Versus Official. See you guys in the next one. I'm out.